Truckee River rafting. Woo. Shasta, give us a shaka. Starting out at Tahoe City, Truckee River, rafting, summertime. Yeah. No emergencies out here, please. We're coming up to the Gum Bridge. Take a piece, leave a piece, whatever you prefer. Find a gummy bear, grab one. Shasta babies. I'm trying to film and paddle. Oh, we just got in the middle of the craziest water fight. Yes! Woo! Awesome! Yeah! Going through some rapids, about to hit a rock. Oh God! Oh, right over it. It stopped me. It stopped me. But I can film everyone else. Yes. Trying to film and avoid rocks. Oh. Okay, that was good. Crystal and Shasta's back there. Crystal and Shasta back there. Oh, Shasta dog.